Okay, hello guys, I'll be showing you the algorithms of Rubik cubes. So in the algorithms of Rubik cube, alphabetical letters are used. Here, when I say R, this is right R, and this will be left L, and this will be down D, and this will be U, up, and this will be front F, and this will be back B. So whenever I say R, it will be this R, and when I say R prime, this will be R prime, and this will be L, and this will be L prime. When I say U, this will be U, and this will be U prime. So U prime, and here this will be D, and D prime, D prime. Okay, and F prime. This is F and F prime. This will be B prime, B prime. So these are the algorithms of Rubik cube. It's quite simple. As I say, this will be R for right, L for left, D for down, U for up, B for back, and F for front.